The standard circuit breakers in your electrical panel work to protect your home and appliances by tripping if a current is too high and shutting the power off. An AFCI breaker, or arc fault circuit interrupter, provides additional protection by sensing when an electrical arc or spark is about to occur from a frayed or damaged wire, and then instantly disconnects the damaged circuit before the arc builds enough heat to catch fire. If you're considering updating a standard breaker to an AFCI breaker, you should hire a licensed electrician, or check your local building codes to see if this is a project that a homeowner is allowed to do. It's safe to install AFCI breakers on circuits that have GFCI receptacles, such as those installed in bathrooms or a kitchen. Before you start, be sure to shut off the main power to the main circuit, cutting power to the entire house, so you may need a battery-powered light on hand. Next, turn off the main breaker and each of the individual circuit breakers. To access the breakers, you need to remove the entire breaker panel cover. Remove each of the screws, then pull the cover off and set it aside. Now you are ready to pull the circuit breakers you want to be removed out of its slot. These breakers must be discarded and not reused. For the first step, remove the black wire from the breaker and then follow it up to where the cable enters the box to help locate the white wire from the same circuit. Now, disconnect that white neutral wire from the bus bar. With the wires disconnected from the old breaker, you can pull it out of its slot and discard it. With the removal done, you are ready to install the new breaker. Turn the AFCI breaker handle to the off position and loosen the two terminal screws. Slide the AFCI breaker into the slot and connect the coiled white wire to the neutral bus in the same position from where the white wire was just disconnected. Next, connect the white circuit wire or neutral wire to the breaker's neutral terminal. And finally, connect the black circuit wire to the breaker terminal labeled load power or black. Check that all connections are tight and then screw the breaker panel cover back in place. Now, turn the main power back on, then turn on the main breaker at the panel, followed by each of the individual breakers, one at a time, so that a lot of equipment won't be starting up at the same time. Finally, test the AFCI breaker by pressing the test button on the front. The breaker is working properly if it trips open. Updating your circuit breaker and installing an AFCI breaker can be done safely when carefully following all the steps and using the right tools. If a breaker trips repeatedly or won't reset, you should work with a licensed electrician to immediately diagnose and fix the problem.